Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing some garlic parmesan pork. Stick around. Alright, got a pork diced up here. We're gonna go with excuse me, about a tablespoon of mayo, maybe a little bit more, just for good measure. And then to that, all right, gonna add a little paprika to this. About a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning as well. Granulated garlic, about a teaspoon and a half. Granulated onion powder, MSG, that's for me. A little bit of olive oil, good amount of salt. Got quite a bit of meat in there, but seasoning to your taste. And I'm gonna add a little bit of minced garlic. Get a little parm in here. Gonna get this a mix. Combine everything together. And we're gonna let this sit for a couple hours. Let all the flavors meld in together. Alrighty, let's get this a spray. Give it a little extra coating down there. And we're just gonna dump them in. You can skewer these up, put them on the grill. They will be real nice like that. Air fried. I'm not gonna worry about skewering them up. We're just gonna put them in the oven to 375, about 45 minutes to an hour. Bring it back. All right, end results. It's looking nice, tender. It's hot, so I'm not gonna stick it in my mouth and burn myself. But if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends about me. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.